Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to study about heart double circulation. So if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. So let's get started. Okay, so before moving ahead, आगे बढ़ने से पहले let me just clear you all the significance of having double circulation. So it prevents the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, and it ensures that our body, our muscle tissue is getting proper amount of oxygen, because you know very well कि oxygen जो है वो कितना important है हमारे लिए. फूड की breakdown के लिए भी it is important, इट प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल. सो अगर लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन होगा तो आपका जो फूड है वो ब्रेक डाउन नहीं होगा एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू एनी वर्क, बिकॉज आपको एनर्जी ही नहीं मिलेगी. सो प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन बनाए रखने के लिए डबल सर्कुलेशन मस्ट है. इट मेंटेन्स द कॉन्स्टेंट बॉडी टेम्परेचर एंड दिस सिस्टम इज मच एफिशिएंट. नाउ हाउ मेनी चैम्बर्स प्रेजेंट इन आवर हार्ट? So human heart is four-chambered heart, and the name is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. So right atrium and right ventricle constitute deoxygenated blood, and left atrium and left ventricle it consists oxygenated blood. And there is present of valve in between atrium and ventricle. So the valve which is present between right atrium and right ventricle is tricuspid valve, and the valve which is present between left atrium and left ventricle is bicuspid or mitral valve. And now what is the significance of having this valve? So it behaves like a door. Okay, so let's come to our main topic, how this system works. So सबसे पहले what happened, deoxygenated blood collected into the right atrium. And किसके through right atrium में आपका deoxygenated blood collect होगा? So by the help of superior and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava collects the deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body, and inferior vena cava collects the deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body. So what happened next is deoxygenated blood collects into the right atrium, and right atrium में deoxygenated blood कैसे आएगा? So by the help of superior and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava collects deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body, and inferior vena cava collects the deoxygenated blood from the lower parts of the body. Now what happened next is right atrium से जो deoxygenated blood है it comes into the right ventricle, and if you remember I have already mentioned that there is present of valve between right atrium and right ventricle, tricuspid valve. So जब right atrium से right ventricle में जब आपका blood deoxygenated आएगा उस टाइम पर valve open होगा, और जैसे ही right ventricle fill up हो जाएगा deoxygenated blood से उस टाइम पर जो valve है उसके बाद close हो जाएगा ताकि back flow ना हो जाए blood का. So from right ventricle deoxygenated blood goes into the lungs through pulmonary artery, and there is exception because you know कि artery जो है it carries oxygenated blood, but what happen here is it is carrying deoxygenated blood. So now आपका जो deoxygenated blood है वो lungs में पहुंच गया है. So there will be exchange of gases, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिमूव होगा और ऑक्सीजन जो है आपके ब्लड में आएगा. Now it will become oxygenated blood. So ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड आपके वापस हार्ट में आएगा in left atrium through pulmonary vein. Then from left atrium it will come into the left ventricle, and there will be a valve which is present between left atrium and left ventricle is bicuspid or mitral valve. So from left ventricle oxygenated blood goes to all parts of the body through aorta. So अब क्या होगा, ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड जो है आपके सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स में पहुंच गया है। अब वो ऑक्सीजन यूटिलाइज्ड होगा एंड कि वेरियस मेटाबॉलिक रिएक्शंस होती हैं आपकी बॉडी में, जिसमें फिर से जो बाय प्रोडक्ट है वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलेगा, जिसकी वजह से जो आपका ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है वो फिर से कन्वर्ट होगा डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड में, एंड ये जो प्रोसेस है फर्दर वैसे ही कैरी ऑन होगा। ओके, सो फटाफट एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं। सबसे पहले डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड इट कलेक्ट्स इनटू द राइट एट्रियम थ्रू सुपीरियर एंड इंफीरियर वेना केवा, देन फ्रॉम राइट एट्रियम इट गोज इनटू द राइट वेंट्रिकल, then from right ventricle it goes into the lungs through pulmonary artery, and from there oxygenation happens, and oxygenated blood goes into the left atrium through pulmonary veins, then from left atrium it goes into the left ventricle, and from left ventricle it goes to the all parts of the body through aorta. So why we call it double circulation? Because it involves pulmonary and systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation in which the blood goes from right ventricle to lungs through pulmonary artery, and from lungs it goes to the left atrium. This is pulmonary circulation. And in systemic circulation, blood goes from left ventricle to all parts of the body, and it comes back to right atrium as a deoxygenated blood. Okay, so I'm assuming this is clear to you all, and if you have any query you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you.